Welcome back to another thrilling ride from Ride Ready Reviews, your ultimate pit stop for everything fast, futuristic, and full of flair. If you're someone who craves the elegance of an Italian supercar but also dreams of life on the open road, then buckle up because what you're about to see will blow your mind. Today, we're diving deep into the jaw-dropping 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a bold masterpiece that defies every expectation and rewrites the rulebook on luxury travel. Yes, you heard that right. Ferrari, the legendary prancing horse of performance and speed, has shifted gears into a new realm, the world of motorhomes. But this isn't just a luxury RV, this is a Ferrari. That means precision engineering, aerodynamic design, and heart-pounding power wrapped in a shell of pure sophistication. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is its aggressive, yet elegant design. Inspired by Ferrari's Formula One DNA, this machine looks like it's moving even when it's parked. The front fascia borrows heavily from the SF90 Stradale, with sculpted LED headlights and sharp carbon fiber lines that slice through the air. Its sweeping curves and active aero systems aren't just for show. They enhance performance and stability at high speeds, even on the highway. And let's not forget the iconic Ferrari red, gleaming like a fireball under the sun. But what truly sets this motorhome apart is what lies beneath the hood. Powered by a custom-built hybrid V12 engine that delivers over 1,000 horsepower, this beast can go from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, even while hauling luxury living space behind it. Mated to an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and Ferrari's renowned rear-wheel drive dynamics, this motorhome isn't just about getting there, it's about enjoying every thrilling second of the ride. Now, let's step inside. And this is where Ferrari's magic really comes alive. The interior is a seamless blend of Italian craftsmanship, cutting-edge tech, and world-class comfort. The cockpit is straight out of a supercar with carbon fiber steering, digital dash display, and race-inspired bucket seats, but as you move toward the living area, you're transported into a different world, one of opulence and tranquility. Imagine handcrafted leather walls, walnut wood flooring, ambient LED lighting, and a panoramic glass roof that bathes the entire space in natural light. The living room features a retractable OLED TV, voice-activated climate controls, and a designer couch that transforms into a queen-sized bed. The kitchen is decked out with smart appliances, including a touchscreen stove, built-in espresso machine, and a Ferrari-branded fridge. Even the bathroom is a masterpiece, with heated marble floors, a rainfall shower, and gold-accented fittings, and of course, Ferrari hasn't forgotten about the tech. The 2026 motorhome comes with full AI integration, allowing voice and gesture controls for nearly every feature. Navigation is powered by satellite-linked intelligence, ensuring the smoothest and most scenic routes. You can monitor performance, fuel economy, and even the weather directly from your infotainment system or smartphone, with onboard Wi-Fi cloud syncing and real-time diagnostics. This RV feels more like a smart home on wheels than a vehicle. Storage is also cleverly integrated, with hydraulic slide-outs and modular design allowing you to expand your living space with the push of a button. And let's not forget the bespoke garage built into the rear, designed to carry a compact Ferrari scooter or even a custom LaFerrari Mini for short city cruises. Only a limited number of these 2026 Ferrari motorhomes will be produced, each carrying a jaw-dropping price tag north of $5 million. But for those lucky enough to own one, this isn't just transportation, it's a moving work of art, a tribute to freedom, speed, and the finest Italian luxury. So whether you're a Ferrari fanatic, a luxury traveler, or someone who dreams big, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is proof that there are no limits to imagination when performance meets passion. This has been another epic review from Ride Ready Reviews. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing machines and next-level rides. Until next time, stay driven.